Welcome to my video class. I am Dr. Sasmita Panigrahi. Today we discuss about post-fertilization events in plant flowering plant. Before going to the topic, we know that when the pollen grain enter to the stigma, then style, then ovary of a flowering plant or flower, it produce zygote when it meet with the egg nucleus. After that, post-fertilization structures and events are takes place. First, PAN is produced. PAN means primary endosperm nucleus, which is 3n in number. Then egg, which is zygote, 2n in number. Ovule is produced. Then ovule is converted into seed. Ovary is converted into fruit. After that, the endosperm is developed. How the endosperm is developed or development of endosperm? The PEN. The primary endosperm nucleus is freely divided into nuclear division and it produces cell wall of a seed. Then cellular endosperm is produced. In coconut water, free nuclear endosperm is produced and it is not hard to seen. Then white kernel, which is a cellular endosperm. Then the embryo, how the embryo is developed or development of embryo. We know that inside the ovary or ovule, it contains two nucleus is known as synergids, and in the middle of the synergid, egg nucleus is produced. In the egg nucleus, when the anther then pollen nucleus is enter, it produces zygote. Then in the middle, the two secondary nucleus when meet with the second pollen gametes, then it produce primary endosperm cell, which is shortcutly known as PEC. Then primary endosperm nucleus in the last part is the disappearing part is known as antipodal cell. Then the zygote is divided into horizontally and in vertically section and it produces a heart-shaped embryo. The heart-shaped embryo contains two parts. One part is known as plumule and another part is known as radicle. When the plumule is developed and it produces shoot of the plant and the shoot contains the flower, bud, etc. And the radicle contains root cap, etc. And the cotyledon contains the reserve food material for the growing plant. The cotyledon is two types. One is monocotyledon and another is known as dicotyledon. When the cotyledon is 2 in number, it is known as dicotyledon. When the cotyledon number is 1, it is known as monocotyledon plants. Then the structure of embryo in dicot and monocot embryo. When the cotyledon is 2 in number, it is known as dicot plant and dicot plant contains plumule, cotyledons 2 in number, hypocotyle, radicle and root cap. And in monocot embryo, it contains scutellum and coleptile, shoot apex, etc. Root cap, radicle and the last portion is root hair. Then the seed. How a seed is developed? The seed is developed with the fertilized ovule and with the zygote. It is two types, non-albuminous and albuminous seed. In non-albuminous seed is also known as non-endospermic seed and which contains or consumes total endosperm its growth. When albuminous seed are present, it is also known as endospermic seed and it restores its endosperm when it grow with the embryo. the embryo contains, or the fertilized ovule contains, two parts. First is endosperm and second is embryo. Endosperm nourishes the embryo. Then seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy? When a seed does not takes any division, it remains in inert condition, it is known as seed dormancy. Then how a seed is formed? Seed is two types, endospermic and non-endospermic. Endospermic seed is also known as monocots, and non-endospermic seed is also known as dicot seed. Then seed formation. The zygote grows repeatedly by mitosis to form an embryo, and the embryo consists of two parts. One is known as plumule and another is radicle. Plumule is give rise to future shoot and radicle gives future root. And cotyledons stores food for germination. Then how a seed is produced? Integument. Integument means outer covering of ovary produces the seed coat, and the seed is produced when endosperm food stored for developing embryo. It is known as endosperm is stored for developing embryo. It is known as endospermic seed, and it also contains embryo, plumule, radicle and cotyledon. Then endospermic seed formation. The endosperm nucleus 3n in number, which is present in the middle of the ovary, and which is repeatedly divided to form an endosperm and endospermic seed. This endosperm acts as a food store for the developing seed. Example is maize. Endospermic seed formation. If all the endosperm in the side white patches are seen, is known as endosperm. If all the endosperm is not absorbed by developing embryo, the seed is an endospermic seed. Example is maize. It is also known as monocot seed. And non-endospermic seed formation. In non-endospermic seed, the endosperm is used up in the early stage of seed development. Means past the early stage of development, all the endospermic seed absorbs the endospermic reserve food material development. Example is bean. It is non-endospermic seed. If all endosperm is absorbed by the developing embryo, the seed is an non-endospermic seed. Example, broad bean. Then types of seed. How many types of seeds are present? Seeds are mainly divided into embryo and second is endosperm. Embryo then again divided into plumule, which is known as immature shoot, radicle, immature root, cotyledon, food supply or give rise to seed leaves, and endosperm, which store food. This is the structure of endospermic seed. Maize. The endosperm is in yellow patches, remain inside the seed. This is the seed coat, cotyledon, plumule and radicle, which gives new root. Then non-endospermic seed. Example, broad bean, and the seed coat, cotyledon, plumule, radicle is present. In this case, total use of endosperm takes place. Then this is the difference between non-endospermic and endospermic seed. In endospermic seed, the seed contains yellow patches which is present endosperm, where in this first structure the endosperm is absent. Then development of seed and fruit. The dicot embryo develops two cotyledon. If two cotyledon is present, it is known as dicotyledon, and monocot embryo develops a single cotyledon. It is known as monocot seed. Then this is the structure of seedlings. First, micropyle, opening in ovule where pollen tube attach and the sperm is entered. or the gametes is entered is known as micropyle. Hilum. Hilum is the place where ovule attached to the ovary, and radicle. Radicle give rise to embryonic root. First embryonic root. Then functions of the parts of seed. What kind of functions takes place each part of the seed? First one, embryo. Embryo is give rise to total plant. Then radicle. Radicle gives the root. The parts of embryo which will become to roots of the plant after germination. Plumule. Parts of the embryo which will become the shoot, stem, leaves of the plant germination. Then cotyledon. This is a leaf of embryo which can be food reservoir. Means future plant food reservoir is present inside the cotyledon. Then testa. The outer covering or protective covering of the seed for integument of the ovule is known as testa. Then seed advantage. What kind of advantage in a seed is present? More dependable. Then dispersal of a new habitat. In one seed contains more and much, produces more and much plants. Then sufficient food reserves. Food is reserved inside the seed. The hard seed coat is present which gives the protection of the seed and variations. Then how fruit is produced? Fruit formation. The ovule becomes the seed. After some times, the zygote is divided and at last the ovule becomes the seed and the ovary becomes the fruit of the future plant. Then fruit formation. A fruit is a mature ovary that may contain seed, and the process of fruit formation is stimulated by growth regulatory produced by seeds and seedless fruit. Some kind of fruits does not contain any kind of seeds and can be formed two ways, by genetically, either naturally or by special breeding program. The seedless fruits are produced. Example, seedless orange and fruits. The fruits also divided into many types. Number one is fleshy fruits or dry fruits. Fruit wall is known as pericarp. Outer layer of fruit wall is known as pericarp, and pericarp again divided into three layers: outer epicarp, middle endocarp, and inside epicarp and endocarp mesocarp is present. Some fruits are known as false fruits and some fruits are known as true fruits. If true seeds are present, it is known as true fruits, and some false parthenocarpic fruits are present are without fertilization are there, it is known as false fruits. Then apomixis, seed development without fertilization. When the pollen enter and the pollen contains gametes and it fuses with egg and fertilization occurs, it is known as seed produced. But seed development without fertilization is known as apomixis. Diploid egg is produced which is false, and if diploid egg is produced, it is known as embryo. The nucellar cell produce into the embryo sac and develop into embryo into polyembryony stage. Then what is polyembryony? It is the phenomenon of the formation of more than one embryo during the development of seed. Means large number of embryos will produced. Rao in the 1965 has found polyembryony to develop during seed germination in vandal caused by cleavage of apical promeristem of single embryo. The polyembryony is three types. Number one is simple, example Poa citrus. Number two, cleavage polyembryony, example Pinus orchid, and adventative polyembryony, citrus opuntia, onion, etc. So I think you like my video. So thank you.